Welcome back to Learning with the Difference, news headlines in English for 21st of June. And first of all, national news. Rare Assam tea sold for rupees 1 lakh per kg at auction. Rupees 400 crore tax evasion detected after raids on Tamil Nadu based group. India, one of Australia's closest security partners. Australia Deputy PM. Stockbrokers demat accounts to be tagged by June 30. SEBI. PM amid Agnipath row. Some decisions look unfair but will help in nation building and long run. India UK free trade agreement, biggest of them all, said Boris Johnson. Farmers' Body announced nationwide protest against Agnipath on June 24th. And now some international news. Crisis hit. Sri Lanka opened bailout talk with IMF. Begins shutdown. UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson has sinus operation, minor routine, said office. Russia's fires fighting in Ukraine industrial city as Kyiv suffered loss. US agreed to help Pakistan negotiate bailout deal with IMF. And now some sports news. India's Jehan Daruwala to test Formula One car for first time with McLaren. Commonwealth Games 2022, Manpreet Singh to lead 18-member Indian hockey squad. Women's FIH Pro League. India looked to address grey areas against USA ahead of World Cup 2022. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.